Okay, we're going to create an email now, and I'm going to teach you how to do emails and web right out of PeopleFile in Songtracker. So we're going to start here on the people data entry screen, for example. We're on Jack Melody's sample data here. There's a button at the top here called Web Email. I want you to click that, or you can just watch the video, and I'll choose Email. And that takes you to this screen. Down in here is where you manage your email. There's a big button in the center that says Create a New Email. Let's do that. It gives you a blank sheet that looks like a document. And let's go ahead and just type recording session. Meeting tomorrow about new session, etc. And you just type until you're done. And then you sign your name, or just type your name at the end. Okay. So you can either send it now or save it. Let's try saving it once. Click Done. And that adds it here. Recording session is right here. Let's get rid of a couple. There's a delete button right here if you need to get rid of any of your old unwanted emails. Brings up a dialog, says delete. All right, here's our new email. Meeting tomorrow about new sessions. If you click here, it'll show your email. And it shows you when you made it, created it. Now, the S button will actually speak your email and go ahead and read it when you click that.
Recording session. The body of your message reads, meeting tomorrow about new sessions.
Okay.
LDSLSDLK.
Command period will stop that. And if you want to go back and look at the actual document again, anytime, you just click your Go button. I'm going to click Done again. And if you wish to send it, you can do that from right here, from this little @ sign. Basically, it is sending your document. You see it's right here. Recording session. It's already addressed. And it's that simple. And then you could just go ahead and send it out of your email doc whenever you wish. So, if you wish to change to save something, you can always create a new email and copy paste any data in that you wish from your. You could just select it out of your email document, not here, but over in your email app. Select it, come over, create a new email, and paste it in, and either type or paste the subject in. And then click Done, and it keeps track of it right here. So you could have all your documents under this person for Jack Melody, for example. So that's how you create an email. You can, under the project menu here, you can keep track about what type of email it is, if you wish. That's just an option. You don't have to use it. All right. And when it gets sent, it'll put an X on the box once it's sent out of the program. Also, here is our do it list for activities. So you can create new letters. You can create new to-dos right here. This is the same as in the activity tutorial that we talked about. It's the same pop-up menu. It just gives you another place to do it from. But that covers your email and gives you an idea how you can create emails. This related contacts is a button that will allow you to look at all the contacts related to the same company, New Melody Music. So if you had 4 people under New Melody Music, it would list 4 here under company contacts. There's other codes that you can use. Company code, parent company match, category 1 match you could show, for example, if there were, and then click do it. If there's, say there's 2 people here, and it takes you to that record. That way you can click on the record and it goes right there. It's a relationship that'll take you there. If it's a referred by match, for example, But this gives you the best idea quickly. So you choose category 1 match, click do it, and there you can see that there are multiple razors there, but then also you can click Miss Brenda Johnson. It'll take you right over there, and then you see her emails. Then you click razor and you see his emails. So I hope that's helpful. And that's our email and our web. Now we'll go back through the web section to show you how it reaches the website in a little bit here. All right, hope that's helpful.